Do you want to change email on X Twitter? You can add email on X account with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To change or add an email on your X account. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, tap on your profile icon at the top left of the screen. From the menu, tap on Settings and Support. Now, from the expanded menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. A new screen will open with different options. From here, find and tap on your account. Again, a new screen will open. Tap on Account Information. Here you will see different account info. Find and tap on Email. Now, type your new email in the email address box. Once added, tap the Next button. Now, follow the on-screen instruction. X will send a verification code to your new email address. Enter the verification code to confirm your email. Now, your email will be added or updated on your X account.